Thousands of raw logs begin a spectacular transformation journey.
Heading straight into the giant machine to shed their rough coats.
The bark crumbles under the power of forged steel rotation.
The pure white core of the logs is finally revealed.
Long lines of perfect logs wait for the next step.
The chainsaw slices the trunk into perfectly even blocks.
Tons of wood blocks cascade like a waterfall into the crushing hopper.
An endless belt carries them into the mechanical shark's jaws.
Crushing power turns hard blocks into millions of chips. Hundreds of slashes per second tear through the hardest wood grains. A storm of wood chips pours out from the machine.
The rhythmic stream of wood flows through the heart of the factory.
They are lifted high, preparing for the strict purification process.
The vibrating screen shakes off all impurities to select the finest parts.
The constant movement filters out even the smallest errors.
Millions of perfect wood pieces tumble into the next processing tank.
Wood chips dive into a giant soaking vat filled with a magical mixture.
Steel blades stir constantly, ready to welcome the purifying water stream.
Powerful water streams wash away every last trace of dust.
Covered in a layer of chemical foam to break the stubborn structure of the wood.
Millions of bubbles penetrate to soften the wood fibers from deep inside.
High-pressure water jets blast away the foam, restoring purity.
The dual bathing process ensures not a single speck of dust remains.
Transitioning through the hopper, they plunge into the heat challenge.
The giant dryer sucks out moisture in a fiery mist.
Heat lamps bake each wood grain to crispy perfection.
Dried wood flies out, ready to receive the secret solution.
Entering the giant cauldron Freyov, where the crucial chemical reaction takes place.
Dark alkaline solution mixes in, melting the raw wood.
Sealed tight, pressure skyrockets, temperature reaches its peak.
The wood has melted into a floating pulp, opening a new chapter.
Water once again washes the thick black chemicals from the cellulose fibers.
Sharp water jets slice the pulp, knocking out every toxic chemical drop.
The steel rollers crush ruthlessly, squeezing out the last drop of water.
The bleaching magic appears. Gray residue gives way to pure snow white.
Like fluffy clouds, the perfect cellulose essence glides by.
Blending with water into a thick slurry behind, the living material of paper pages.
High-speed agitators break all bonds, turning everything into the smoothest solution.
The magical moment when liquid pours out, ready to crystallize into a flat surface.
The giant steel pipe compresses to create a flawless film.
Two giant steel cylinders squeeze tight, wringing out all clinging water.
The high-temp dryer blows away moisture, stiffening each porous fiber.
And here it is, a flawless flat surface flying through the wind under the drying fire.
It's time to dress the white silk in mesmerizing patterns.
The magic blue stamp repeatedly presses down, etching absolute precision.
The powerful J, Q, K proudly display their mysterious red and black hues.
Millions of destinies and bets about to be decided flow like an endless river.
A smooth, transparent armor protects for endless fun.
The split cards fly at dizzying speeds on the shiny steel highway.
The eagle eye scans, sparing no printing errors.
52 warriors are fully assembled, ready for battle.
Dressed in a gorgeous shell, the masterpieces are ready to leave the factory for the world.
Blocks of goods neatly stacked into a brilliant wall, awaiting the grand departure order.
The giant treasure hall, holding the soul of billions of card games across the planet.
They lie silently under the clear plastic armor, patiently waiting for departure. They lie silently under the clear plastic armor, patiently waiting for departure. Ready to go. The miraculous journey of wood chips has completed a glorious life cycle. From a rough tree branch, now transformed into entertainment for humanity.
This is the final stop before they are delivered to every corner of the world.
A modern industrial masterpiece where raw wood turns into eternal magic. See you again.